Hi, third grade. So today what we're going to do is I'm going to walk you through how to get on your first assignment, which is a Google slideshow all about you. And I'm going to show you how to use Google Slides. So when you get into Google Classroom, you've went to Google, you've clicked on the little chalkboard, or you typed in the search bar Google Classroom. And you get onto this screen right here. You have went ahead and you've entered our class. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click the classwork. Okay, once you're on classwork, this is week 1, so you're going to go ahead and click on week 1. And you're going to see something that looks maybe a little similar to this. It may look a little bit different because I'm on mine and not on one of yours. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to click on the copy of the All About Me slideshow. And then you're going to get to a screen that looks like this. On this screen, what you're going to do is this is Google Slides. So we're going to talk real quick about how do we use Google Slides. So this first screen is just kind of the all about me, or the one where you have to put your name. So where it says click to add text, as soon as it decides to come up all the way here, you're going to click on that, and then you are going to type your name. All right, then on the next slide, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and you are going to get to decorate this. All right, so first of all, go ahead and click. You're going to write your name again. Okay, now it says age, drag over the number of birthday candles to show how old you are. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to see these candles over here. If you are 8 years old, you are going to drag 8 candles. 1, 2, there might be 3 there. Oh, nope, there's just 2. And you're going to go ahead and you're going to drag however many candles you need onto the birthday cake, okay? Now, when's your birthday? You're going to go ahead and you're going to click on the box so it comes up with the little flashy light so you can do that. And you are going to type in, when is your birthday? Mine's August 31st, so I'll type that. Now, the thing that where this is going to get tricky is there are going to be some places where it wants a photo. So what you will do is where it says place photo here, you're going to go up here to see this little insert image spot that kind of looks like mountains. You're going to click on that. And when you click on that, you can choose, do you have a picture on your Chromebook? You probably don't. I have one of me on here, but I'm not going to choose that because that doesn't help you. Most likely, you're going to need to access your camera. So go ahead and access your camera. I'm going to need to allow that. You may need to as well on yours. And now you're going to be able to see me. So what you're going to do is you're going to say, okay, smile, cheese, take the picture. There you go. We're ready to insert that picture that I just took. Now it comes up and I'm able to drag that picture and put it right here on my Google Slides so you can see me. All right, now when I come down to the more about me, you're going to get to decorate, well, what color are your eyes? My eyes are blue, so I'm going to drag the blue eyes over. All kinds of fun things for you to get to do. You can use the scribble tool to do your hair and decorate yourself. Now notice it kind of gives you a hint over here. It says scribble tool can be found by going to the line. So you click on the line and then you select scribble. Now, I'm not sure what color. Oh, it looks like this is going to come out blue. I do not have blue hair, so I'm going to need to change that. And I'm going to go ahead. Yep, it came out blue. Okay. Hey, God. We're going to want to change that so I don't have blue hair. We'll delete you. Try the scribble tool again. All right, let's see. seems to think it's doing something, and I'm not sure what it's doing, but you should be able to just go ahead and scribble right there on that, and it should come out that color when you click on the line. On these, you're just going to click to add text, and you're going to tell us some words that describe your personality. So mine, I might write fun. I might write creative. Whoop. Helps spell it right. I might write compassionate. I might say friendly. And I'm going to put in there adventurous. My friends would all say I'm the adventurous one. And you just go through and you're going to do the same thing for every single one of these slides. And it already has all the clicky stuff on there, so you can just go ahead and just click in the spots. If you're doing this with the hobbies, you can add text, or if you want, come up here to insert image. Maybe you're going to search the web. And when you search the web, maybe you go ahead and you type in the words things that you like to do. And then I can click on a picture here to add to. I click the picture, I click insert. It's going to come in huge, probably. Oh, it didn't do too bad. Then I can use these little arrows on the sides here, see the little blue boxes, and I can drag them to be the size that I want them to be. Okay, so that is kind of how you use Google Slides. I hope that this tutorial is helpful and that it helps you be able to get your job or get this done. All right, if you have more questions, you can message me on Dojo and I'll be happy to help.